How am I going to fall?
This is the Madison and Rebecca show featuring Austin Lane Thomas. Come on, kiddo.
I'm not Austin.
Sit.
Okay.
Sit down on the ground.
I guess it's comfortable sitting down.
Oh! Let me tell you something. I got my phone stolen.
Bunch of potheads.
By Chris
You're
Brewer.
not in it.
Christopher
Oh, I'm sorry.
Brewer.
Good
Yeah.
pudding is it?
Stop, it's mine.
I'm sorry.
You can have it. You can have one.
I want one.
You can get one. There's more in there.
You got butterscotch?
Go get a spoon,
Oh, I
Madison.
almost got that, but it didn't.
Oh,
Don't
butterscotch.
tell me to get a spoon. My house, my rules. You get my spoon.
I don't know. One of them's banana and vanilla. This is vanilla.
Oh, back to the video.
Right.
We got some food.
We just got back from the movie.
And McDonald's. Don't forget McDonald's.
Oh, we went to McDonald's and I got me a McChicken with lettuce and mayonnaise and chicken and bun.
And Rebecca ate stale
And I had fries, and then I ate them when I got out of the movies, and they were a little cold.
Hey, come on here, Tammy's dad gets here.
We're making a video
Why?
because we have a YouTube account, and we have the Madison and Rebecca
You need
show.
to be quiet.
Ooh. Anyway.
Daddy.
Stepdad.
He's our boyfriend. So we have to be quiet now. Over and